Good morning on this beautiful, brand new Vlogmas day here at the JK Adventure headquarters. Does anyone do this to themselves? They have a Costco membership and we just insist on waiting in these super ridiculously long lines for maybe like a few pennies saved. Let me know if this is what you do, because I always question myself when I'm in this line.
Hi guys, so it's JUANA from JK Adventures. I'm here. It's Saturday, December 5th. You guys saw Kirk. He was out running some errands and now he finally got back home. He could watch a dog while I can get some DIY projects on. I started these Christmas trees in a previous vlog. I don't remember which one. I'll put the little tag up here. So I ended up finishing this one finally. It took me so long to finish it. I didn't even record it. It just took forever. But I'm going to do this small one. I kind of started it. So we're going to go ahead and finish this one for you guys. And then we got a whole bunch of Christmas boxes we got to go through. We're going to decorate the tree and see what else this Saturday has in store for us. But alright, let's get started. I'm just going to fast forward it. Remember, we just glue the little balls on. And yeah, more DIYs with JUANA Christmas edition. And just like that, I'm 100% complete with both of my Christmas trees. I had to use a few of the other balls, but I think it looks fine. So now we got two little Christmas trees. But alright guys, so there's my DIYs. I think that's the last DIY of the year. So the next stuff is just unboxing a whole bunch of Christmas stuff and decorating the tree. I'm already tired.
Me too.
But we'll see you guys in a few. Boop. Hi guys. We took a little break from decorating after my DIY and decided to come and get lunch.
Yeah, it's lunchtime, so we came to one of our favorite spots. They got, I was gonna say they got good food, but we've never actually ate here. But they got great drink prices and the vibe's pretty cool. This is the first time we're actually here pretty early. They open at what, 12? And it's like 3.
Yeah.
So we're gonna check it out. So you guys might be wondering why we always are in matching shirts.
I got dressed first today.
Sneaky little trick. If you buy 2 of the same shirts and ask the person if you can get a discount, try it. Let us know how it works for you guys.
Stupid.
Try it and let us know how it works. But that's gonna be the bit of today. It was very simple and short. Obviously, you guys can see the tree is still not decorated. It's gonna get done.
Yeah.
It's gonna get done tomorrow. This is pretty much it.
Short, sweet,
Short,
simple.
sweet, and simple, like she said. Like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you share. Share this, send it, show some love. You know what to do, guys. JK Adventures over and out.
Vlogmas Day 5 done. We decorate them, bitches. So we're here. Kirk put these ornaments on, you know, but we gotta take them off. Sorry. Because we're gonna put this little ribbon on. This is the cutest one. My little wine bottle. I love wine. In case anyone wants to give me a gift.
No, she likes vodka.
No, I don't.
Want to tell them that story?
Listen, guys. I had a quick story with the whole wine thing. One year for my birthday, I had a little party at my house. And everyone was texting Kirk, like, what I like. What kind of liquor I like. What I like to drink. he started telling everyone vodka because we drink vodka together, completely forgetting that I love wine. I love wine as a gift because I love trying different wines. I'm a huge like Malbec fan, I guess, but I love trying any kind of red wine, and I just like when people pick them out and get them for you. Like, I have a whole wine collection that I rarely drink because Kirk's not a huge wine drinker, but don't really want to kill a whole bottle of wine to myself, you know? It's not very ladylike, not classy.
Now for a time lapse.
Candy cane time!
Best thing about a fake tree, you can bend the branches so the ornaments don't fall off.
I know, I love that.
But, boom! Just like that, JK Adventures Christmas tree. Let's get a little montage-y, full action. Again, the bottom's not done because of the doggy.
We're gonna most likely put a gate around it because it's a lot of stress.
So let's get into this. I scared the dog. Sorry, bud. Sorry. But just like that, guys, voila. Beautiful masterpiece. 80% created by Juanita. The rest was hopes and dreams. But Christmas tree done. Day's done. Now it's just us gonna be relaxing, and you guys don't want to watch that. So
probably watch a movie or something.
It's a school night, so
yeah, nothing too crazy. But I guess we're gonna go ahead and end off the vlog today. It was short, sweet. We didn't do too much today, but Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below on what you would like to see next, I guess. So,
yeah.
bye, guys.
Peace.